up, guys, and welcome back to another video. You guys probably weren't expecting me to upload anymore. I haven't uploaded in a few months, but I've been working my butt off every day. So definitely haven't been slacking, just haven't been uploading YouTube videos, so I guess you could say I've been slacking. Today I was on Copart, found me a good deal on a black F80 M3. As you guys might know, I blew up my M4. If you guys follow me on Instagram and all of those social media stuff. So the motor blew up on it, sold it. I'm in a 340i right now that I got off Copart. Just didn't really upload the video because I've been kind of down. And been flipping trucks ever since I stopped uploading. So we're definitely back up and running. And hopefully getting my own shop soon. So gotta go pay for this F80. Should be here tomorrow, coming from New Jersey. And the best part about it is that it's a 6-speed manual. So definitely gonna be fun, gonna be my first manual car. So obviously excited about that, and it's an M3, so you can't go wrong. 50,000 miles around there. It's a no start, so we'll see. It's usually just the battery fuse. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later once the M3 is here. Peace. There she is, boys. Not too shabby. Little F80 M3. Here she is, boys. Pick it up a bit. Yeah, alright. We Gucci. Let's check her out. Yeah. Yeah, you can go down. Oh yeah. I guess just park it where the WRX was, yeah. And I'll get a tow truck driver to get her out. Remember, car don't want to start. Yeah. It might be fuse in the trunk, you know, for the battery. I do a lot of these M3s and M4s, yeah. Usually it's just the fuse. So we'll see. Here she is. The old Scammerson Peterson, bro. Got screwed on this one, but not the end of the world. We'll still make money on her. Alright, I gotta hop in and roll her off. Alrighty, guys, before we get too far into the video, I wanted to explain to you guys why I got scammed, or how I got scammed on Copart. Didn't really talk about it a lot in the video because I recorded on the first day that I got the car, and I thought Copart would actually work with me on it, because sometimes they actually do if it's actually a mistake. But if the company is a scam, then obviously they're not going to fix it, because that was their intentions to. So let me flip the camera for you guys, show you guys exactly how I got scammed out on this F80 M3 on Copart. So here we go. This is what I saw. Played Friday, March 17th. Let's see. No mileage, which I knew. Enhanced vehicle, because airbags did deploy. State Farm insurance, which is good. Biohazard, not sure where they put that. Looked around the car. I don't see anything sketchy, but it did look like they already cleaned it up. So, yeah, retail value $47,000, which is a bit higher than most of them on there. So I was thinking that it should be lower mileage if they paid out that much. As you can see, manual, rear-wheel drive, and throwing on HD, you can see pictures. As you can see, this hood right here, let's see, no buckle right here, no bends along this line. You can see a little bit right there, but that is literally nothing. If anybody with a body shop Who's ever worked on one, you know that that is the lightest damage ever. Very fixable. We go into the back, you can see nothing crazy. A little spot over there, but nothing that I was concerned about. Everything's good here. Saw this box, I was like, nice, got some bolts probably in there. Couple airbags deployed. Parts are in the back. As you can see, right here in the engine bay, you have the engine cover. Everything looks intact. Go over to the dash, doesn't show the mileage. This picture right here is what sold me the car. As you guys can see right here, we do have both headlights. We have the carbon fiber brace. We have two of the auxiliary coolers on each side, both intakes. This aluminum brace that goes over the engine, and all of these other parts that could be potentially savable. As you guys probably know, nothing was left in the car except for a few of these broken pieces right here. So they were kind enough to leave us with that. But headlights, about $2,000 on those. All these coolers and everything else, it runs up the price pretty fast. So in total, I got scammed out for the hood right here, which is $1,000. Both headlights, which for a good deal you can get them for $2,000 each, or $2,000 for both probably. $500 in coolers, $200 in intake. It's about $200, $400 for this carbon brace. They got me good on her, is what I'm gonna say. So as you can see, New Jersey, Somerville, they got me on this one. If you guys are gonna run the lot number, I'll save you guys some time. I paid $15 for it, like 15 and some change, not too sure. So yeah, there you go. Not a bad deal, but obviously would have finished it for around 20,000 if I didn't have to work on it. But as you can tell, they did screw me pretty good. So gonna be about 20 and some change into it. Whatever they stole, I had to buy. So I got all the parts coming in. So we're gonna go back in time actually, and I'll show you guys what's popping with the car. Alrighty guys, so here is the F80 M3. As you guys can see, it's been a long day with her. Haven't been able to work on any other of my projects, but I will explain to you guys what's all going down with it. In the rear, nothing major, just the current airbag deployed, as you guys can see. So not horrible. In the front, interior wise, steering wheel exploded, and the knee, you guys might have heard in the video, 49,000 miles, which I got very lucky on. I was planning it for it to have way more, and of course it is the 6-speed manual, which is great news. So yeah, finally first manual car, very excited. Interior otherwise super clean. Dash goes up to 200 miles an hour, which is a must on these. So yeah, then carbon fiber roof, of course. We got good fenders. The hood was repairable at first, as you guys could see. It was just this right here. Super easy fix. You literally just pull it back in Bondo. Literally would need almost no Bondo, but the forklift driver got a hold of her and yanked her, so that sucks. And created a buckle right there, which is a no-go, which means this hood right here has gotta go. Motor wise right here, everything looks good, just very dusty. They took my intakes, which kind of sucks. Then got a rag here to protect it from leaking oil everywhere. Stock crank hub, which is unfortunate because as you guys know, my M4 crank hub did blow, so that sucks. But we'll probably get her fixed, or at least do something about it. It needs headlights, bumper, radiators, and the rest of the radiator and crash bar support. The whole front clip. This fender's good, and the rest of the car is also good. So yeah, that is the current progress on this M3. Guys, we just got her home. And the number one thing you want to do on these M3s before you even try to work on it, because chances are the motor costs more than the damage, is make sure she runs. So there should be oil in it. They did take off that lower cooler that goes up to here, so I got a bucket set up here. My dad's gonna hold it for me, put the fuse together in the back, and throw a jump start on her and see if she'll fire up. Hopefully. If she does, she's a keeper. If not, we're screwed. Let me read the miles out real quick. 49,658. All right. You ready? Yeah. She runs. All right. Did any leak out? Alrighty, guys, it's the next day. The F80 is just sitting here. Gotta order some parts, gotta do all of that stuff, and you know, it's not fun on these cars because every airbag is $500 and every bumper is $1,000. So definitely not cheap, but I might as well show you guys around what I've been doing for the past 3-4 months while I was off YouTube. Kind of just didn't have time to upload. I was grinding pretty hard. So yeah, I'll show you guys my 340, then I'll show you guys a couple trucks that I have that I'm flipping. And yeah, let's swap the camera over. This right here is my 2017 BMW 340i. Bought this thing while just something quick and easy to work on. Nothing major. Front end isn't put together fully, but got all the body gaps lined up. Just need to fix that one up there. But I still got to pull off the front bumper to do parking sensors, but it's just the M Sport package. Got a lip on it. Nice LED headlights. Interior isn't too bad. Don't have an airbag for it. Just got one today. United's going crazy. But pretty much
GPS connected.
Nice little car. Nothing major. Today I'm going to be working on airbags on it. Just to finish everything up. I'll pop the hood for you guys. Let's show you guys what's going on underneath. It's a cool little car. Probably faster than the F80, to be honest with you guys. So here she is. It's a B58. It's got Dyna coil packs. Looking there. Vera SF downpipe. And then from there on, it is a full straight pipe. Which is funny. This is the way I got it off the auction. So I kind of didn't have any choice but to deal with it. The car was hit in the front right here. Nothing major. Just pushed it back. No frame damage. And everything was just a super simple fix on this car. So yeah, parts are ridiculously cheap for these 340s compared to M spec car like that right there. So yeah, I'll give you guys a cold start real quick. Got to move it over next to the M3 because it'll look better there. And then we're gonna get to work on the airbags. Coming downstairs, we got this beautiful build. As you guys can see, it is a 2019 F150. The seat is out. I have to get a new one. But other than that, not too bad. This airbag deployed. This airbag deployed. And I think that's all that deployed. And the seatbelt was deployed on it. But just got the seatbelt back from getting repaired. So she's good to go. This thing was in a front end collision. Nothing major. As you know, these trucks, they can take a beating and they won't even bend the frame. So yeah, just this little earpiece bent a little bit. Got it all heated up, bent it back. She Gucci. Got all the headlights and stuff here. For this beauty right here, which is a 2018 F-150. that I purchased, but let my dad take it. Got a really good deal on it, and he needs a work truck. So yeah, as you can see, have to change out the door, fender, and the front. So this one's got a little more damage than this one right here, but this one right here, as you can see, frame rails are Gucci. There's just a little corner of the hood and a fender and the front. So I mean, these parts are hecka cheap for these trucks. And yeah, this is what makes the money, and those are what brings the views. So yeah, let's get to work on this 340 real quick. Alrighty guys, weight reduction has begun. It is a mess in this thing, so I'm gonna clean it out while we got the seat out, because why not? Main reason I took out the seat is to install the seat belt tensioner on the bottom. It's a lot easier. You don't scratch stuff up. Then we gotta replace this knee airbag, steering wheel airbag, and roof airbag in there. Today's gonna be a fun day of just doing airbags. Not excited, but whatever. Got the battery unplugged so airbags don't blow up in my face, even though they technically shouldn't. It'll just prevent from any fault codes, because you never know. You plug something in, boom, airbag deploys, you're screwed. So yeah, let's get to work on her, and we'll get her finished sooner than later, hopefully. Alrighty guys, all the airbags have been installed. We got the steering wheel, we got the seat belt, we got all that upper one installed. Let's see if it'll start up without an airbag light, or maybe we gotta clear it. Let's see. All right, so it does still have an airbag light. The check engine is for an O2 sensor. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear all the codes and see what happens. Alrighty guys, so I just cleared all the codes. So let's see if we have that airbag light back on. Hopefully not, but I guess we'll find out. Boom. Why is that airbag light still on? Probably gonna have to stop by the shop and clear it. At least the check engine went away. Let me throw my seatbelt in. Maybe that's tripping something out. Looks like it isn't changing anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and go probably to the shop and clear these codes, and hopefully they go away. Ay, ay, ay.